Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, last night was raining, so I cover my bike with this thing. Oh, it's cold. I need to fix this bike. I don't know how to fix this, but this is so flat. To be honest, I have no experience how to fix this, but I have a little courage to do this because of YouTube. YouTube helps me a lot to learn things. There are guides and procedure. I hope I can fix it. Wow, so this is the electricity. Very easy. And this one, I bought it from Kmart. This is basically something like a vulcanized thing that you can patch on to the broken what do you call that, the rubber inside. Yeah, it basically comes with this, another one, and comes with this. Yeah, and there is a little instruction here how to use it. I hope that this is going to work. This is like a rubber sticker. Oh, bravo! Now I can remove it. Yeah, there is tube. Just put it in there. I will leave it for maybe a few minutes and let it dry. By locating the place of the puncture, I noticed that there is something here, so I touch it in there, down here, and I noticed that there is something like this thing. That is the cause of the thing. Look, this is very wow. Look, it's a metallic thing. Hey guys, good morning. Nice weather today. I am day off. Yeah, look, the sky is blue, and you can see the sea is blue also, and this car is also color blue. Nice. Yeah, I am actually waiting for the bus. I am going to Salamander Bay Shopping Center. I am going to eat. Thank you. We are not going to McDonald's. We go there later for coffee. Yeah, mate. I just came from there and I bought this. It's not in the plan. Yeah, it's basically just egg, some snacks, and it costs $9. Yeah, like 5 items. Not bad. And look in here. there is something like a return and earn. So basically a recycling center. Like if you put a glass, they will give you something like a refund. Yeah, yeah, for something like takeaway containers, bottles, steel. Yeah, this is the recycling center. I mean, I don't know if recycling center. They will give you some. They will pay you for returning the used bottle, used cans, something like that. And now we're heading to McDonald's. And here is empty. Yeah, look outside. A lot of people there walking. Yeah, there are two buses. One is going to Pringle Bay and one is going to Newcastle. Yeah, and if you can see this bike, that maybe it's the bicycle of my colleague. Yeah, and you know that guy is 15 years old and he's working in our kitchen part-time as a kitchen hand. Nice. Yeah, 15 years old. They are working here already. I am planning to walk in the bushland going to my apartment. Yeah. This way or that way. I am now up in the mountain. Yeah, so I am basically passing through the backyards of this residential area. Look, I am now in the highest part, not the highest, but in the high part of this area. I can see the sea. I don't know if there is another way to get inside the bushland. I am feeling lazy now. I don't want to get there anymore. I will be just walking down there and we'll go back to the, I think this is going to Banyal Beach. Yeah, the place where I usually do biking. Yeah. Because you know, because my telephone is running out of battery. It has only 20% of battery, so yeah, not a good idea to explore that place because maybe I lost and I can't find the right way. And you know, I'm just relying on the Google map. Look at this house, nice, beautiful, simple. And we're going up there. We don't go that way because I feel trespassing to go through that sidewalk. We are supposed to go through to that mountain, but I feel lazy. I've seen a lot of houses like that in Istanbul when I went to Istanbul. Yeah, and also in Italy they have a lot of houses in the mountain and it looks good. Yeah, also in Istanbul, very nice looking. Yeah, because the one in Istanbul are like that, but it's near the sea. So sea, mountain, and houses in there. Nice. I am aware that maybe some people think that I am suspicious because I am doing something like this, but you know, I am just enjoying walking. The snake that I've seen before is keep on coming to my mind. I cannot avoid to remember that thing. It was scary. Yeah, even though that snake is not dangerous, still I am afraid. Oh yeah. Oh sorry, I just need to passing through here. Yeah, I feel that this is trespassing that I am doing this thing. Yeah. Wow, beautiful. Wow. Wow, nice. Wow. Wow. Wow, amazing. Look. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. So this house is very lucky with the place that he got. He can literally see the whole this beautiful view. Nice. And we are here now. Yeah, there is the place where I usually go through, where I usually stay before going to work. I am now waiting for the bus here and I am going home.